Hello guys, welcome back to my English learning channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of English idioms that will not only spice up your language but also make you sound like a native speaker. So grab your pens and let's get started. So the first idiom is to take the bull by the horns. It means to face a difficult situation directly and with confidence. Instead of avoiding the issue, she decided to take the bull by the horns. The next idiom is spick and span. It means extremely clean and well organized. After hours of cleaning, the house was spick and span, ready for guests to arrive. Spill the tea. It means to share gossip or juicy information. When Emily walked into the room, her friends wanted her to spill the tea about the latest drama. Burn the candle at both ends. It means to work excessively hard, often with little rest. During the busy season, employees tend to burn the candle at both ends to meet deadlines. Throw caution to the wind. It means to act without worrying about consequences. He threw the caution to the wind and bought the most expensive watch. The next idiom is to cost a pretty penny. It means to be very expensive. The antique chair in the shop window looked stunning, but it would cost a pretty penny. The next idiom is the grass is always greener on the other side. It means that people often think others have it better, but the reality may be different. Sarah thinks changing jobs will solve all her problems, but the grass is always greener on the other side. All ears, it means fully focused and ready to listen. When I said I had exciting news, everyone became all ears. The next idiom is don't count your chickens before they hatch. It means don't anticipate success or profit until it is certain. While excited about the potential promotion, Sarah reminded herself not to count her chickens before they hatch. The next idiom is in a nutshell. It means to summarize something consciously. To explain the complex theory, the professor put it in a nutshell for the students. And the last idiom is Crywolf. It means to give a false alarm or exaggerate a situation. Tom has a habit of crying wolf about office emergencies, making it hard to take him seriously. And there you have it, idioms that you can use in daily conversations. They can really level up your English and make you sound like a native speaker. But remember, key to mastering idioms is practice. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more language tips. Thank you so much for your attention, have a nice day and see you later!